This conference will now be
So now
recorded.
we'll continue with that work today. So hope everyone do practice that front card. I mean, like front of the business card, which I told you, and the basic logos also practice in that. And it's easy to practice. You can practice easily in that. So let's start with that. So this is what we did front of that, and we'll do I mean, like we'll insert some content inside this. So we'll give some important content, and after that we'll start with the basic pamphlets like that. First we'll do this, and after we'll continue with that. And we did the profile thing. After we need to give the name, but we'll give every details here, and after we'll give the text there. So first I'll take the polygon. If I want to take a polygon means, if I want to take a polygon means, here we'll be having shapes. So in that right click, you'll get polygonal tool and rectangle and ellipse tool. So in that you can take the polygon. Take polygon tool, drag it, hold shift and drag. Just to drag it like that. If you hold shift, then you can easily get the perfect shape. So it doesn't have a stroke. Just give the stroke. You can give the stroke here also you'll be having so many, and here also. One option you'll be having 3 to 4 sides, whichever is comfortable you can use in that side. So now just give in this side. So give the stroke color as white, and after that just take this selection tool and reduce the size. So hold shift and reduce. Okay, hold shift and reduce the size. If you want to take a look, you can take this here, and the filling color as a gray. So it should not be gray, it should be none. Just do this, it'll be like this. Or else what you can do is, if you can't size it properly according to this particular shape means, you can just duplicate it. Yesterday I told you how to duplicate and everything. So you can just duplicate it like that. So if you can't resize in the same which you have taken already, if you can't means, you can duplicate it. So now I'm just deleting this, select this, delete it, and now take the selection tool and select this polygon and just duplicate it. If you want to duplicate in CorelDRAW, you are doing Control plus D, but here you can't do like that. You can't press Control D to get duplicate, and in Photoshop if you want to duplicate you are doing Control J, but you can't do here Control D or Control J, anything like that. You just need to press. You need to select the shape which you want to duplicate, and after that just press halt. You'll get this sign. See, you'll get the sign like this, double arrows. So you'll get the double arrows like this. After that you can duplicate it, and you can keep it in the same area like this, like this. And after that also, if you want, I mean, like, if you want to give more information, like, first I have given profile name, the name of the person, company's person I can give here. If you want to give some more information, means you can just duplicate it and you can place it according to their guidelines you'll be getting here. Okay, and here you can get the guidelines also. See here in the view tab, you can have the guides and grids option. If anybody can't see guidelines, and when you are doing in Corel Draw also, if you can't see any guidelines, you are going to view menu. So just like that, here also go to view menu, in that grids and guides to get guidelines. In that, see, you will be having so many options: snap to document grids, show to document grid, show to baseline grid, like that. So many options are there. Delete all guides and spread. Everything you will be having. You need to just enable or disable that. If you disable, you can't see anything, and if you enable, you will be getting there. And if you have the guidelines only, then only you will get the perfect. I mean, like, you can align perfectly there. So if you doesn't have any guidelines, if you know that exact without guidelines, if you think that you can do perfectly, it's okay. That's okay. Then you can do it. If you don't know to do without guidelines, means you can go to view, and in that grids and guides, in that you can enable the smart guides. Snap to guides and smart guides, like that, lock column guide, everything you can enable, and you can just work with that. So now And now just duplicate it like this, and again I'll gonna duplicate this. If I want to duplicate, I'll press hold and I'll just duplicate and put here. Hold, can drag and put here. So here you can place it properly like this. Just align it properly, okay? Select that and neatly align it. Select it and align it so you'll get like this. And if you can't, you can just align it with arrows also. You can just select this and align it. See, if you click out, you can see here. So inside of that you can put like this the icons. So now we'll do it in the pen tool. Here we'll be having pen tool, and if I right click on this, we'll be having the same tools which we used in Photoshop also. And here also we'll be having pencil tool. So in that, if I right click, I'll be having smooth tool and erase also. Whatever I draw, I can erase with erase tool, and this smooth, it will come like a smooth, like this smoothly, it will come like this. And now I'll take a pen tool and I'll just make that contact thing. Cut that with alt. Same thing which you used in Corel Draw, same thing you are doing it here also. So cut that and cut that this with the alt and right click on your mouse. You can cut that like that. And after that, so it's feeling like a shape. So it's feeling like a shape here. So just we can delete that later. First we'll make draw this, and after that we'll delete that, meet the end point and put it like this. So now you got this. So we have to fill the white in this, and after that we'll remove stroke, or we'll give white only to the stroke. First we'll select this, and after that we'll give white to it. So now it's done. So we need to reduce the size of this icon. So we'll just reduce from the corner only. Reduce it from the corner. See, if you do it like this, you'll get like this. So it'll bulge or you'll not get the perfect. Just do Control Z to undo. Control Z for undo and Control Y is for redo. Okay. And now hold shift. Okay. Whatever you are dragging, decreasing or increasing, or you are making shapes or something, like whatever you're doing, just hold shift in this, because all the Adobe packages you have to hold shift and do, and with a Coral you can use control for it. And and this InDesign is also one package of Adobe only. So you need to click a shift and you should drag. Just hold click and drag this. Hold click and drag it like this properly. So do Control Z and properly do it. Hold click. So if you want to increase, just Control plus. Okay, just a Control plus. Now decrease the size again inside this. So if you want to put, means you need to get these kind of arrows, not this. See this, these kind of arrow you should get, then only you can place it. If you are not getting this, if you are getting this, you can't. See, it'll be like this. So if you need to get this, then only you can place it. So it is big inside size. So let's decrease the size of it. Hold shift and decrease the size. So just you can place it with the arrows also. You can neatly place it with arrows. So if you want to zoom out, just Control minus, zoom in, zoom out, Control plus and Control minus. Remember that. And now we'll give the location. Hold the, take the pen tool and just draw it. So just click and hold, click and drag, click and drag. Okay. If you click and drag, you'll get like this. You'll be getting two lines. Just click on Alt and left click in your mouse. It'll go. And after that, meet the end point like this. Meet the end point and give like this. And after that, so you can make it with the arrows like this. So it should look like a location thing. And after that, You can just select that, and you can give the shape as like this. And now what I'll do is I'll take the circle. So right click on this, just right click, you'll get ellipse tool, and after that just drag it, hold shift and drag, you'll get the circle. Take the selection tool and put it in center of this, put this, and take this eyedropper and pick the color of this, and you can place it like this. And after that, what you need to do is just group it, select this. So let's wait for that. Okay, let's group it now. Let's group it. So I took the eyedropper here, so it took the color of this. So what we'll do is, after taking the color, we can select it here like this. So when we have not locked this background, it will also select and it will just get moved aside. So it is tough to align again and put it back. So just lock the background, then it will be easy to drag or select the object like this. So you can group it easily after locking the background. So now what you'll do is press Ctrl G to group, and after that drag it from the corner. If you are not getting the perfect shape, hold shift and drag and put that inside the polygon. So control plus and just decrease the size and put it the center like this. So just decrease the size of it, select and holding shift, just increase or decrease like this, and put that in the center, right center like this. So now I'll take the rectangle tool to create a male. So take a rectangle like this, and after that I'll add a triangle to it. So if I'm not getting, you can use pen tool. Take the add anchor point, just click on this, select the object, take the pen tool. So take the pen tool, first take the rectangle like this, and after that fill the color as white in that, select that and fill the color as white. So and after that I'll take a pen tool, I'll just so here I'll not fill any color inside to it. So and only the stroke I'll give like this. So I'll just take this and flip like this. After that I'll just move it like this. So now it looks like this. So with the help of arrows you can just place it properly with the help of arrows. Now you can see it looks like this, a little down. Just decrease the size like this and increase it like this. Now this is enough. So what I'll do is I'll just group it, Control G, and after that I'll decrease the size by holding Shift key, decrease the size, decrease a little again, and after that we'll place it here. So here should be in the zero point 0.5 point, and we'll decrease it by holding Shift key. So it looks like this, and after that we'll just I'll just make an arrow with the help of pen tool. So for this I'll not fill a white color, and I'll take a selection tool, select it, hold the shift key, drag it like this, and if you go to corner you'll get this rotation, so you can rotate it upside down like this. And if you go to corner, hold the shift key and increase the size of it and put it in the middle of it. And now control minus, and now you can see you have placed everything like this. And now what you'll do is I'll just give one circle to give some link, or if the company is having some link like that, can give it. So in that I'll fill the white color, white, and I'll take the selection tool, I'll place it inside this. Should decrease the size of it, will decrease the size. And so after that we'll take this line tool and we'll give the line here. After that we'll give that line. First we'll text. So before texting, I told you here you should take the text box, then only you can text it, or else also you can text but it will not be in the proper align, so where you want. So just take the text box and you can easily text it there. So we'll give the name now. So I'll give some XYZ, name as XYZ. Which font you have selected before, that font only you can put there, and use the same font. And remember guys, you should use only 2 to 3 fonts and 2 to 3 colors, don't go more than that. Yesterday I told you that from the Corel Draw, so I'm telling you that for vector based and all, you should use only 2 to 3 colors and 2 to 3 fonts, only that much, don't go beyond that. And now let me change the color of this text, so we'll give white color to it. So here we can change the text color, see, fill color, so we'll fill white as well. So okay, that's enough. And if you have full name like that, you can fill it. If you are having some names like that, you can fill it further. I'm just creating a example like here. So if you are having full name, you can type there, and after that again I'll take the text box, draw, drag it. So just how you did in MS, so just like that you can draw the text box and then you can insert text inside that box. So I'm giving the number as 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 like that. And I'll select this, and let me check with this font, book antique. Okay, let me select this. So this I selected, so I'll give this font only. And after that So I should fill the color as white inside this. So if I fill the color, see, if I fill the color, it took inside the box color. So I took the shape fill. So I don't want to fill the shape here, fill the text box shape. So I'll just give none here. I want to fill only the text color. So I should first I need to select this text which I have text and which I have taken. So I need to select those text and I have to give. So if you don't select the text there, so you just can, I mean, like it'll take the fill color of that box which you have taken, text box thing. So it'll fill there. It'll not fill to the text. So let's take text and here we can fill the color. So fill it white color and after that again we'll take the text. We'll draw it here. We'll draw it here. Location. So you can give the proper locations. Let me give like Bangalore, and that should be in the caps. Bangalore, Karnataka. So it the text box is, see, if you got this plus mark in the red color, so you still have the text and there's no place to show it. So you can just drag it. So you'll get the text there like this. So after that, just take the text tool and select the text and go here and give the text color and take the text and the caps. Okay. And now I'll just draw the text here to give mail. So I'll just give name, sorry, mail as XYZ at gmail.com, something like that. So you can give the mail like this. Just select this and give the color as white and take the text now, and here you should write the webs website. So I'll write www.xyz.com, like that. Just select this and give the color as, take this just draw the text box. Then you can give some or the other links like this, something like that. Okay, link, and give the color white. Okay, so example thing. So after doing everything, you can just align it, select this and align to particular. It will show the guideline there. You can align it properly. So it will show the align also. So you can align it like this. So you can align it like this, properly align it. Put it in the center and align it properly. So if you have aligned properly like this, you have to alignment is very important in this. Remember, alignments are very important. Still, you need to give the proper location here. And after that, you can give, I mean, like, let me take the rectangle, and here I'll give the space to, you can put some QR code or like that. So I'll give the space as white color in it, fill color. So I'll fill the color in it. So that you can see, you can give some QR code in that. And after that, you can, if you have filled the QR code here, just here you will be having line. So you just have a line tool here, just drag it. So like this we can do, and we'll just put again the logo. And if you want to ungroup this, if you have already grouped, and if you want to ungroup that particular, if you want to ungroup that particular object, means you can just click shift control G. So it'll ungroup. Control shift G. Just see, now you can group it. Control G. I'll group this only this much. And I'll select this. So I can give the same Like, so you can do the same logo. And now, so let me put here. I just copy and I just paste it here. I just copied the logo. I'm placing it here. So if I want the perfect shape means I need to hold the shift and drag it. And now I can place it here, and I can give the company name as well here. HS Creation, same thing. And after doing everything, and after doing everything, So we'll just keep the logo like this, and after that, same thing, we'll copy and we'll paste it. So we'll just decrease this, shift, hold shift and decrease the size. Take the text tool, we'll decrease the size. So we'll put it around 11. So now we can place it there. Take this and we can place it here. So let me just little increase this text. I'll give around 20, 18, 14. Now that's okay. So I'll take this and put it down. So after that, we'll increase this logo also little, and I can place it here. Now this will be my business card we created in InDesign also. So with the help of gradients also we can create, or else we can draw it like some way somehow I we want. So however we want, we can just draw and we can create it like this. So this will be our business card, front of the card, and this will be back of the card. So and here at the down, you can just put this up, and you can just put this up, put this also up, and after that in some, in the box you can write which company, what type of company you are handling with, and what is that. So if the customer wants to come to your company, to what purpose, to what type of a company is that, you can mention it that, you can mention it there, just a few words, so easily, so that the business card, by seeing that business card only, that person will get to know, oh, for what to come, why to come. So he'll get easily. And this location QR code, it's easily can help customer to meet you to that particular place where your company is located. And in this front also you can give some link or something like that here also at the last. But most of the company business card will be like this, the big logo and the company name, the brand and the company name, it'll be like this. And the backside of it, where they'll give some information, but I just gave some examples only, because you need to, understand that you can, if you are creating in the softwares, so you can give your name only. And if you are handling some companies, or if you are an entrepreneur by yourself, if you are managing something, you can give that and you can create it. And this will be very useful. So if you learn this, you can create it by yourself only, for your own company you can create it. However the logo you want, you can create like that. And with the text also we can manipulate the logos, so however you want. But what I'll tell is, just draw the logo when you are making, or when you are creating your own logo means, if you are creating your own logo for your company, if you are handling with some businesses like that, if you're managing, just take the book and draw it first you draw that how you want. You just draw whether it's in a drawing like or whether it's in a text or something like that, whatever it is, whatever or whichever it is, just draw it first. Okay, so just draw that, then you take that output which you have drawn, just check once. So if it's right, you can take that and you can come here, here, put that logo which you have created, and after that you can draw it easily. You can draw easily that however you want, and you can give the 3ds and effects everything like that. And here you can make your own posters, brochures for that also, for your company. Now we did the business card, so we'll do the basic pamphlets also we can do it. After further we'll be doing magazines, newspaper like that. So further we'll continue with new concept every day. So we'll do the basic pamphlets for next class. So we done with the business card today. So it's completed now. So we can do the basic pamphlets next class. So I just tell you how to take a new document for this. Just go to file menu and take the new document, and here you'll be having three options. Yesterday I told you if you are creating a book means you can click this. If you are creating some document personal or other documents means you can just click on this document, you'll get the option. And after that you can get the size of the particular things. And if you are doing it for pamphlets and all, you can customize the sizes. Here you'll be having width and height also. And if you're doing it for a newspaper, you'll be having columns and gutter also here, and everything is there. We can create it easily. So I hope everyone will be able to create now with the easily logos and brochures, posters, everything which and all we thought. I hope everyone got that, and they can easily, and you can easily create that. So did you got that, guys? Everyone understood that business card which we thought today? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your answer. And we'll be doing basic pamphlets tomorrow. Okay. Every day we'll continue with a new concept.